Would you like to know what the SAM is? Hey guys, this is Michael Granados from Viral Home Based Pursuits. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about what exactly is the SAM funnel. Okay, so first of all, I'm a member of ClickFunnels. I have used them as an affiliate um, and overall for other uses, for helping people in their agencies, for doing agency work myself at some points, and having had used ClickFunnels for my previous um, first business that I started with within the health and wellness space, helping people with back pain. That's kind of where I started everything. I started within content marketing and SEO, and then later on expanding my skills, getting into ClickFunnels, using that integratedly with my websites and furthering the growth of that. And ever since then, I've let that one grow, and now I'm on to my second one. Fortunately and gratefully, I'm thankful for that. And here I am, able to help you now as a digital marketing strategist and internet marketer, well, affiliate marketer. But so the SAM funnel is basically a funnel that will help you, it'll make life easier on you to get leads, get people more in through the door, help them understand how to make commissions within ClickFunnels, and also how to, for you to get more sales because it converts higher. It's a really hot funnel right now. I use it at times, but I try not to rely on it 110% because it could be just a little trend. It's been working for some time now, and you can actually get in it and find success with it. But I don't rely 110% on this. I started with what was the business in a box opportunity. Excuse me. And then, I personalized that one, and I have a different video for that. So you can always watch that. I think I'll have that in the description so you can get access to that. So, make sure you go ahead and subscribe too if you want to get more notifications on everything affiliate marketing, digital marketing related. Again, I started with SEO. Later on, I got Google Ads certified, and I started working on free to paid traffic sources. And I do want to say I have the overall skill sets. And so going into the secret affiliate machine, which is what I have in front of you, I'm going to show you that. The whole purpose of this was to actually show you what it is and how to use your links and how to incorporate all that. So here it is. I'm in my funnels dashboard. I'm going to go to secret affiliate machine, clicking it there. So what you're seeing is more than what you would get from the very beginning. Okay. So if you already partnered with me and you've seen this, you probably have the basic version. But then I also, the people who sign up under me and the people who I help, they always get to see the extra bells and whistles that I've added to this funnel. So what I've had here is, let me show you what the basic version would have looked like and what I had when I first started. So I started from machine start here on the left and all the way down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, you had 5, excluding the 6th one, which was one funnel away pre-frame. So there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that originally came with the funnel. And I'm going to show you those first before I show you anything else. Okay. Everything else I've added, I've made it myself. I didn't take that from anybody. I did it all myself, and it's working very well. And I'll show you split testing, but that'll come in a little bit of time. Again, you get all this when you signed up with me, and I always update everybody that's with me on this. And I also have my dream cheat sheet bonus, which is worth thousands of dollars. It's, I think, about 50 pages now or less, give or take. And it has everything that I've, all my experiences that I've been through with ClickFunnels within affiliate marketing, SEO, content marketing, every other platform that I've used. I've used other ones like Wealthy Affiliates. I've grown a business within the health and wellness space, not just, those CBD oils give you a website. I actually did the blogging, and I did YouTube. And so I've been able to grow those things too when I focused on that solely for some time, for years, or for a year and a half or so. But I was focusing on one at a time, which is the most important thing. Focus on one. And I teach people this too, and I teach you this, how to focus on one thing at a time if you have capital and other things. But let's get started. So machine start, I think my computer energy is going down a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna go through this here. So machine start, this is where you would begin. So I'm gonna go ahead and click here, edit page. And this is what it would look like. So my secret affiliate machine revealed, how I make over 50,000 in passive income, plus got my dream car paid for, and how you can copy me right now. This is what you can be getting in here too. Free access for the next 50 takers only. There'd be a video in here. You'd watch it, and Jordan's made it. And the good thing is that people don't know who's behind it because it doesn't show a face, which is amazingly why you can use it so effectively too. I know with my other ones, sometimes I like to make my own spin on it, so I'll put my own face in there and do things. But this one, ready to launch the machine, to put their information in, you can put their mobile phone, which converts well too, and submit and move forward, and it would take them to the next spot. So the important part here is when you're setting this up, is you want to go ahead and put integrations and connect that with your email autoresponder. Here you can add this integration, your action, and list to add. So bear with me, I'm going through both. I'm showing you what this is, and I'm also helping those who need help with it at the same time. So there, you don't have to touch too much to it. And then we're going to back up here and go to the next part of the funnel. And this is what they would see next, step 205, another video. And this would tell them to create their free website account and get their free machine account, which is basically their ClickFunnels account. We'll get the 14-day trial. And again, here to edit your link, you click here, go to set action, and within your actual ClickFunnels affiliates, go in there and get your 14-day free trial. And there's a different way that's shown how to do this, and I'll have more access to that, where you go ahead and you put your ClickFunnels custom ID, your sign up, .clickfunnels, and then free trial CF, and I'll have more information on that. I'll try to have another video underneath that so you can see it. But that's where you would have your 14-day trial. You can put it in there as it is. And if they're done with this next step, it goes to the next funnel. I don't think you got to do anything with that one. You can just leave it as it is. Create a new free email address right there. Gmail is recommended. So let's go ahead and go back. So the next step of the funnel is where you're going to be able to clone your funnel. So this is what's going to be imported into your ClickFunnels funnel account. So you'd click here and you'd be able to add that funnel into the account, so then you can use it yourself and add your own affiliate links. Or if you're trying to get somebody on board to join with you, they just go ahead and click there, and now they have your share file, your share funnel. Set action. You don't have to mess with this one. Jordan said you don't have to. You still get the commissions. Don't worry about that. It does actually work. He's just constantly updating some things on his end, and so he rather prefers it that way. So get your affiliate link from the affiliate center. So this is again where you would go get your ClickFunnels.com affiliate center ID. So this is where you can get paid your own commissions. So make sure you switch this out too, and just swap it out with your own affiliate link. And then again, it says the instructions are in the video, so make sure you're watching that video closely. Done with this next step and continue to the next one. So now you need to get traffic to your website, and what's used within the SAM is traffic for me. So here you would go get your traffic for me account, and it actually shows you what to do here. Shows you more how to do copying with the link. And then you can send traffic to the machine. It's traffic for me. That's trafficforme.com. It'll show you in the video what to do more and how to go sign up for Traffic For Me and get your affiliate link and add it right there. You would add it under go to website URL, and it would open up in a new window. So the next steps right here, this would be the last step of the funnel. I split tested this one, so it looks a little different. So here it is right here. So this right here would be where, your congratulations, your machine is launched and live. And then you can click here, which is the link to Spencer Meekum's course, it's 2.0 course, and you can add your own affiliate link in there as well. And then, if you're excited about the affiliate marketing and want to learn more, you can go ahead and get free bonus access to our private Facebook group. And then you can join the group here. You can put your own in here, which is what I recommend if you have a Facebook group. If you don't, just take time, it'll come, and then make one. And I also offer free training on this within my membership course that I offer as a bonus as well. When you sign up with me, you get all these videos within my membership course that shows you just about everything that you need to get set up and running, as well with all my bonuses, extra bonuses, and a ton more. And then here's more resources you can use. Again, in here, you can go ahead and change your link URL. Go into the affiliates, get a 10x secrets link, and then go do the OFA link and add it onto here. And move on with that, so forth. Yeah, see, this is the Affiliate Secrets, I think, 2.0 course. So go to buildapreneur.com all the way at the bottom. That's buildapreneur.com. Go all the way down, go to affiliates, sign up for an account with Spencer Meekum, and then you can actually get that Affiliate Secrets URL from the list of affiliates that he has on his dashboard. And that's it. Your SAM would be done, and it's good to go. And then let me just show you what I've done already. When you join with me too, you get a lot more. I know that Facebook ads, some people run Facebook ads to their machine, and they need and the privacy policy within Facebook ads is a little, they're very guarded about this. If you send them directly to this one here, they're gonna deny it, and they're gonna likely cancel your ads, and they're gonna likely ban your account. So you don't want that happening. I've had my ad account banned, not from this exact thing that I ran towards, but some other ones. So I created multiple Facebook ads and kind of just testing them. This one works well. This is the latest one that I use, and this one works as well too. So you're gonna get all that already. And then I made a SAM funnel alternative opt-in page. So within my business in a box, I've learned that one converts very well too. So I made a similar looking opt-in page. So I can either send them to this link if I'm just directly sending them to something, or if I want to send Facebook ads traffic, I can use the covers or one of these, and it'll follow on to, it's just a little quick. Here, let me just show you how that looks. So there's no information to put in here that would just say, show me the secret now, something simple, and they would go to the next page in the funnel with a Facebook ad, and they would come here, and then let me show you how this one looks. So this one, similar to my BIB, if you haven't seen my business in a box, I gave it a similar look, similar touch to it. Enter your name, enter your best email address, and continue, and then you'd get them in their email autoresponder. Remember, come up here, integrations, select your list. Once you have your email autoresponder set up, and if you don't worry, I teach that in my membership course, and I have a lot of videos on that. And then here is, I think this is the alternatives. Yeah, this is alternative. So going in conjunction and going in continuous sequence, if, this is where I would send them. This is a whole different looking opt-in that I'm testing, and it works just well. I like this one too, because I'm used to the business in a box one. And sometimes when you're doing this, people don't want the video, and then they get tired and they're like, I got to put my information in. Like sometimes somebody wants to see just a simple page where they can put their email and information in. So I made this even easier. So they watch the video, they don't have to put anything in, but just make it like desirable. Enter your desired amount to make how much you want to make per month here. And they put an amount and they go, okay, because that helps them. That helps them understand that, look, this is what I want to do. And then they can click here and move forward. And right here, what I've done, it doesn't take them to the next place in the funnel. What it does, it actually takes them to one of the other parts of the funnel. And I'll show you that one right now. So that would take them to this part, remember, from the very beginning, and then they can go ahead and actually make their ClickFunnels account. They can go get their free 14-day trial. And that's it, because you made them opt in already at the previous one with just the one simple put your name and email information to see more. And then let me show you at the very bottom, they go through the steps, right? And then actually here, I think I want to show you this before I show you that. So the next steps, this one would be the secret affiliate course with Spencer Meekum. And then on the right, I made a separate one for the OFA. So what I've done here was, instead of sending people to the secret affiliate course, I sent them to the OFA. So I put, where is it here? So no, I'm going to have to move this because I wasn't running much traffic to that one yet, but I would put the OFA challenge in there, and I'm going to have that one for you. So I can send them to that one instead of to Spencer Meekum's course. So it would go from next steps to that alternative one to the one funnel away pre-frame, and I'll show you that. Spent a lot of time working on this kind of stuff. Hope you're finding it useful, and it's probably not clicking 110%. Just give it some time. And then here there's more information, and you can just put your links in there, and you're good to go. And that's pretty much the SAM funnel at its core. It's a great funnel to use. Again, it's not the end-all be-all. You have to know how to do more, like provide your audience with content, value up front. Don't try to just promote to them. If you can't do that, it's really not going to help you. But I shorten the process with all this, and I'm actually giving away my free, one of my largest, actually my largest bonus. That's like about a 50-page PDF of how you should do things day by day, and then end of day tasks. So if you really need help with this, that's going to give you everything that you need. Everything that you need is going to be in there. And so you're going to get so much help with that. But the SAM funnel is amazing. I like it. It's useful. I showed you the two different ways I have it set up. You can start with the original version and then move into the other one, if you so choose to. And if you want to send them to one URL versus another one, if you're not using Facebook Ads Cover and you want to use the alternative opt-in, you can do that too. So there's more information, and just check in the description. If you're on YouTube, make sure you look underneath here and you see that you can get more access to this. All right, guys. Talk to you guys later.